Today, guys, we have a very short yet very important video which might just change your life, which might just make you rich. A thorough understanding of this topic will without a doubt change the way you look at everything. Today, guys, I'm going to be talking about the power of compound interest in crypto specifically, why Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and how it will make you rich in crypto. Be sure to subscribe to this channel as I will regularly be posting cryptos, which could provide you the opportunity to do just that. And right now, guys, is the time to buy, right at the bottom, when everybody's scared. And when you finish this video, be sure to hop over to my last one, as it was a great crypto, one of my personal favorites, with unbelievable upside potential. Guys, I am very grateful that you're here in this video today. As you can see, we are a brand new channel, a channel I aim to make one of the greatest in the crypto space, and to serve as your guide to navigate through it. Please do drop a like on the video and hit subscribe to show some support, but also to enlighten yourselves going into this next phase of the bull run, which will come. For those of you who don't know what compound interest is, compound interest in a normal space is interest on top of interest. That is what it is. However, in crypto, it is particularly enticing. Compound interest is when you earn the same percentage as you did on any other transaction, except now your starting number is far larger, and I'm going to show you how you could turn $1,000 into $1 million in just 10 trades. When we start with 1,000, we see that we times it by 2, a 100% return equals $2,000. Now when we times that by 2, it equals $4,000, because whilst we're making the same return on each trade, what we're starting with is far greater. Now for anybody who's not been around in the crypto space for very long, maybe you're brand new, you will know that 100% gain is nothing once things start picking up. They come left, right and centre, all over the place. You only have to look at some cryptos, I won't go through them all, to see that in a matter of months they can go from 20 cents up to $4 like Propi did, a crypto that I analysed in my last video. Be sure to go check that out, guys. Now in this case we've times it by 2 times and gone to 4,000. I'm going to start at the beginning, refresh the page. I'm going to start at the beginning now and see what happens when we do this 10 times. Even 5 times. 5 times, $1,000 turns into 32,000. Another 5 times. $1,024,000, guys, turns 10 trades, turns $1,000 into $1,024,000, and that is if you only go to double your money. Throughout this bull run, I will be navigating you. I will be giving you in my opinion, are highly undervalued, high quality crypto gems which could way exceed double your money. Way exceed double your money. Let's take a look at if we did 5x. $1,000 times 5 times, over $3 million, guys. 5 trades, 5 investments. This is the power of compound interest in crypto. Now let's say that you did not hit 5x on each of your trades. Let's say you don't even want to hold for 100% and you just want to go for 20% instead. I've put this here as daily because this is the way you set it, and I've put it in months. Compounding daily, that means approximately 30 days. You start with $1,000 and you earn 20% 30 times. You have $250,000, guys. This is the power of compound interest. I hope this video has been useful to you. I hope it's put things in perspective for you and called you to take action. I do need to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. However, I can say that I have been profiting from crypto. However, I can say that those influencers on YouTube who are rich beyond the wildest dreams were buying at these prices, not at the highs that some of your friends and family probably bought at. And these are the prices I will be buying at. With that being said, guys, I wish you all the best. I would like to remind you to hit subscribe and turn the notifications on and drop a like on this video. It would mean a great deal to me just starting out, and I hope I can serve you well going forward. Thank you for your time today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.